Hey everybody, it's Neil, and it's camping season and stuff, and so I have this headlamp. Actually, I can use it for lots of different things here, especially like when I'm doing some stuff on my 3D printing and stuff like that. Sometimes I need lights, but we have a set of batteries that it comes with. It looks like 3.7 volt big old batteries. I don't even know what style those would be. And then let's see if we can get everything else out of here. And then here is the headlamp and clips and a recharger. Okay, so let's see how this works here. Let's open it up. So here is how it opens, and I will put these batteries in it. So 1 second while I open these batteries up. Okay, so let's get a little closer here. Okay, so here we go. So we have the batteries that goes, they all face the same direction. So I guess it's just a 3.7 volt thing. We will close this up. So here we are. And we have an input here so we can charge it through, it looks like USB-C. I think it came with the wire. And then an output, so we could even use this to charge a phone or something like that in an emergency if we need to. So that's kind of cool. And then we have the headlamp over here. So, and it looks like it has the light. Wow, that's ridiculously bright. I don't know if you guys can see the light there. I have studio lights on, and you can still see it here. So that is crazy bright. How cool is that? It just gets light and dark. Okay, so that is the light here. Let me turn that off for a second, and then I'll show you guys. So this is the headlamp for it. So it's got super strong, batteries. These batteries will probably last for forever on there because you got so many. And then we have this little stuff here. Let's try it on here. So here is what, I'll come back a little bit. So this, move my little stand here. So this is what I would look like wearing it. And then if I put it on, nice. It's actually pretty convenient to be able to push the button. Look at that. This is great. So if I'm sitting here working, oh, look at that. See, I can adjust the angle of it so it's facing down. So if I am working on my stuff with my hands, look at this. My hands are just super bright. So if I'm just looking at anything, I would totally be able to see it with the light on. That's what's cool. So that's what I'm saying. Like when I do my 3D printer stuff, which is over here, you can see I have a 3D printer and a laser engraver and all that stuff. So when I'm doing whatever I need to do, I can totally, see it now. So how cool is that? So if I shine it right in your face, in the light, into the camera there, it's pretty bright. I don't know, you guys can't tell, but it's way brighter than back there probably. But this is cool. Very nice headlamp. Super comfortable. And then I guess right now it's set for really big. My head isn't that big, so I can tighten it up here on the sides. I can make it go like shorter, like there, like that. And then my head is not that big on the top either. I can go like this. There, now it's gonna be a tighter fit. There, so now it's gonna be a bit more higher. So it's good to fit most size heads because it's pretty adjustable. So I really like it. So thumbs up for sure on this headlamp. Anything else I need to know about it? It came with the charging wire here. It comes with a bunch of clips. So I guess you can clip either things to the head thing here and have things hanging on there or whatever you need. And it says saving energy. The light has special selection of products for camping and outdoor thing. Here's it's a Leafany is the brand. And let's see, we have all the lighting things that we did. That's pretty it. So pretty straightforward. If you need the instructions for any reason, you can pause this and zoom in. But otherwise, we are good to go. And it came with the charging cable, which is USB to USB-C. So you have everything you need. I like it. Thumbs up for sure.